In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your lost controller VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about some steps that you can take to help you find a lost VR headset controller. Now, something that I want to make extremely clear is that there is no easy way to do this. To my knowledge, there is no application related to headsets like the Oculus Quest 2 that allow you to find a lost controller with ease. As you might be aware, this is a feature in a lot of phones and so on, but there is no chip or no hardware inside of those controllers that allows you to do this. So, first, retrace your steps. Think carefully. Think of where you last used the controller in a specific room, near a piece of furniture, or in a particular game, and search thoroughly. Check all potential locations, even under cushions, under furniture, behind curtains, or in unexpected places. Illuminate dark places with a flashlight on your phone and ask for help if possible. Now, you can also try checking your VR environment. If your VR environment is persistent, you actually might be able to see the controller within the virtual world, because if you are in close proximity, it is going to give you a ping, so you can just note down the location by wearing your VR headset and searching for it. But if you lost the controller a long time ago, it might have run out of battery or potentially gone into deep sleep. Now, you can still try using the VR headset. Maybe when you turn on the VR headset, they do some sort of buzz or LED indicator that will help you find it. Now, besides this, very unfortunate, but there is nothing else that you can do. Like I mentioned, because most controllers or most VR headsets, like the Oculus Quest, do not feature a way to find lost controllers through an app, they don't have the hardware needed, you will not be able to easily find them. You have to search around in the hopes of finding it by retracing your steps. If this video helped you in any way on how to find your lost controller VR, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.